Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from Alex Merced Coder with another video on, well, Ruby. And basically here we're going to talk about hashes. Hashes are key value pairs in Ruby. So if you've done JavaScript, you're probably familiar with objects, key value pairs. If you're from Python, you're probably familiar with dictionaries, key value pairs. If you're familiar with Go, you've probably used like maps and structs. So you should probably get the idea. But the idea is that instead of identifying, having a bunch of data in an array where I call it based on the index number, I have data that I can call based on a name, a string. So we'll create my hash. Okay, equals, then we use curly brackets, then we put a string. So for example, my name. And then we use an arrow, which is my name is going to equal Alex Merced. Okay, then we do another value. So this will say my age. And that'll be 34, at least for a few more weeks. Cool. And now I can access those values by doing something like this. Puts my hash dot name. Puts my hash dot age. Okay. And what is that complaining about? I see a little squiggly line there. Cannot find age for type hash string. Let's see here. Oh, we do have age right there. Well, let's run it and see what happens. Okay, undefined method name. Just treating them as names. Okay, so then probably what it wants me to do is this. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, we're going to call the key as the string. And let's see if that worked out better. Yeah, there you go. So you can basically treat it like an array, and you put in the string name inside the brackets. And you can access the values inside the hash, and that's pretty much the deal. You can put all sorts of data in there. Really where this becomes useful is that, let's say you have an array of people. So you have an array of people, but each people is a hash. So each individual person might be a hash like this with a name and an age, and then you loop over that array of hashes, and then you can print out each person's name, each person's